Display size. OnePlus 12R is 6.78 inches. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 6.6 inches. Display resolution. OnePlus 12R is 1264 x 2780 pixels, with 450 ppi density. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 1080 x 2340 pixels, with 390 ppi density. Display type. OnePlus 12R is LTPO4 AMOLED. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Super AMOLED. Display protector. OnePlus 12R is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Operating system. OnePlus 12R is Android 14, Oxygen OS 14. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Android 14, One UI 6.1. Chipset. OnePlus 12R is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Exynos 1480. Processor. OnePlus 12R is octa-core processor. Samsung Galaxy A55 is octa-core processor. GPU. OnePlus 12R is Adreno 740. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Eclipse 530. RAM. OnePlus 12R is 8GB, 12GB, and 16GB. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 6GB, 8GB, and 12GB. ROM. OnePlus 12R is 128GB and 256GB. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 128GB and 256GB. Front camera. OnePlus 12R is 16MP wide-angle camera with 1080p video recordings. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 32MP wide-angle camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Back camera. OnePlus 12R is 50MP wide, 8MP ultra wide, and 2MP macro camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 50MP wide, 12MP ultra wide, and 5MP macro camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. OnePlus 12R is GSM, CDMA, HSP, LTE, and 5G. Samsung Galaxy A55 is GSM, HSP, LTE, and 5G. Battery. OnePlus 12R is 5500 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 5000 mAh battery with 25 watt fast charging. Spec winner.